you with a stick, and that is blatantly illegal. On my leg. Oh, he scored!
No more.
One more. Come on, baby.
No.
Come on. Try it again. Bet you can't.
No.
Bet you can't.
No. I don't.
Okay.
No, stop it!
You gonna shoot the puck though?
Don't
Just
do
you?
that,
Don't break
Mama.
that. Don't break that. That's not right.
No, don't break anything over there. I'll kill you.
You gonna try to shoot the puck? Nice. Get it. I'm not chasing you.
I don't want.
I'm not chasing you. I told
I
you.
just want to shoot.
That's what I said. Go shoot the puck. I'm not chasing you. I am not chasing you. I just want to see you go.
Let's see it, Joe.
Don't. That actually really hurts. Don't do that. So you shoot it.
You're gonna get it in. Shoot it! How about we play together?
All right, ready?
Go.
I'm going to get you. Right here. Oh, he scored. The other hockey players who did not win, he scored.
I'm recording. This is video, dude. Hi.
Video me sometime.
Yep.
You can keep doing your thing now.
Okay. You just missed.
I just missed.
I didn't get the goal.
Oh.
Mom. Get it. Get it. I'm letting you.
Oh, it just missed.
Mom,
Woo.
turn out.
Oh, yeah? Oh, you okay? Oh, that's illegal. You can't put it in the net with your hand. That's a penalty.
No!
Hey, Joe, did you score? Joe, did you score?